Hi guys, whenever you type something, then you get this kind of auto correction on your Samsung keyboard. But in case if you want to turn off auto correction on your Samsung Galaxy M35, then let's see how to do it. So for that, go back. Now first of all, go to settings and then scroll down. And here you will see this option, general management. Simply tap on it. Now here, scroll down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Now here you will see this option, predictive text. Simply disable it. Once you disable this option, it will stop predicting or auto correcting on your Samsung keyboard. So now let's go back and check. Now simply open anywhere to type. Let's type anything. And now you can see Samsung keyboard is not auto correcting or not suggesting any autocorrect word. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily turn off autocorrect on Samsung Galaxy M35. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.